I locked out of your Windows 11 PC and thought, that's it, I've lost everything. Well, stop right there. Because in this video, I'm gonna show you how to reset your Windows 11 password in a minute, without losing your files, without reinstalling Windows. And yes, it works even on latest Windows 11 builds like 25H2, 26H1, 26H2, and even the controversial Windows 11 27H2, the Canary channel. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Sudama Lab, where we simplify the tech that actually matters. So let's fix your locked PC step by step. So here is the situation. You forgot a Windows 11 password, or maybe you brought a second-hand PC, or the login just isn't working anymore. And now you're completely locked out. Normally people think they need to reset Windows, lose data, or go to a technician. But today we're bypassing all of that. So today we're gonna use a tool called PassFab for WinKey. This tool lets you to reset Windows 11 password instantly, unlock Microsoft and local accounts, even removed BitLocker encryption. And the best part? No data loss. So let's break this down. First of all, you're gonna need to go to this website. Link is given in the description. Go to there and just scroll, and here you'll find the download link. You can download the software for Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and even it's available for Windows 7. So what does that mean? It works seamlessly with any version of Windows. And if you want to use Pro version, you can get up to 20% discount right now if you want to buy it. So just download it from there and install it to your computer. You can also use this software on your Mac, Windows, and Android phone or tablet. After downloading, install it and close your browser. And when it's installed, just open the application by double tapping it. Click on yes. After opening the application, you need to insert a pen drive to your computer, minimum 8 GB in size. You can see pen drives inside it. And now, you just click on start. But before clicking on start, it's important to know that your USB will be erased. So it's better to take a backup of your USB pen drive if there is any valuable data. So after checking everything, click on start. And here you will download the needed files. You'll have to wait here. Now when the download is completed, click on OK. Now here you're gonna choose your USB pen drive. When it's selected, click on start burning. It's also showing the warning. This burning process will erase all data in USB and relocate the partition area. Click on next. Now here we're gonna wait here 5 to 10 minutes to complete the process. Now you can see when it's completed, it will show burn successfully done. Here every process is given step by step. Now what you're gonna do is remove your USB pen drive from your computer and insert it to the computer which has been locked. We click on next. Here you can see the software itself gives all the keys to access the boot menu. Here is the desktop. Here is the list for laptops. And here is also for desktop, which is assembled from motherboards like Asus, ASRock, Colorful, Intel. Everything is given there, so don't need to worry about. Now click on next. They've elaborated everything step by step process. Although I'm gonna show you the exact step in this video. So when it's done, close the application. Now here in this step, you just click on OK. One thing you can do, restart your computer by clicking here and exit the boot menu. But if you want to go to the shortcut, just press and hold shift and restart your computer. Now here, choose USB device, hit enter. And here you choose USB pen drive and hit enter. Wait a few seconds to load the application from the USB pen drive. And now here in the screen, you'll have to select your Windows version. In my case, there is only one Windows, that is Windows 11. And now, then click on next. Here in the screen, you'll have to select your account. In my case, here is administrator, default account, the guest, and here is my online account. If your drive is encrypted, you can remove BitLocker here. You can remove account password, or you can reset your account password, or delete Windows account, or create a new account. We're gonna choose reset account password and then click on next. And here you see, as usual, no need for the old password. You just choose your password and retype your password and then click on reset. It will take a few seconds. Now it's done. When it's done, click on reboot and the PC will be booted. Now when we're back to your system after reboot, it shows congratulations. The change about the Windows account has been effective. Click on OK. And now just put a password. This was the password. You can see this is. And now hit enter. And boom, it's opened. You're back into your system with a new password. And you can see everything is here. The applications, and I'm just showing these are my data, like the wallpapers. If you go to documents, all the docs are here. In downloads, every files are there. Nothing is lost. Just like that, access restored, files untouched, system intact. Exactly what we want. If you want to try this tool, free version is available and you can get a discounted pro version, link in description. Honestly, if you deal with a large system often, this is a must-have toolkit. If this video helped you, hit a like, subscribe to Sudama Lab, and comment if you want more Windows hacks and fixes. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.